It's my first Stitch Fix of 2024. So let's open it and find out what I got. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. I'm Andrea. I love clothes and subscription unboxings and try-ons and shopping hauls and all that fun fashion stuff. If you like that kind of content too, then I hope you will hit that subscribe button so that we can keep hanging out, and hit the notification bell so that you always know when I put out a new video, and subscribe and leave me a comment. All the things that helps my channel grow. All right, so if you watched my last video, you know that it was a bust. They gave me a stylist, someone other than Marsha, because Marsha was on a vacation for her 25th anniversary. Happy anniversary, Marsha. I was really relieved to find that out was the reason why she didn't style my last box. So they asked me if I wanted a quick fix, and I said yes, but it didn't turn out being that quick. It took longer for it to get sent to me because she was waiting to find me some good things. So Stitch Fix is a subscription styling service, and they send you 5 items that are curated by your personal stylist. Marsha's my stylist, she's fabulous. And you get 3 days to try it on, $20 styling fee. Some of us still have the Style Pass, which was a $49 charge for a year of styling. Any styling fee that you get charged, that does get credited if you purchase something. They send you an envelope to return the things that you don't want, and I have got not 1 but 2 bundles in here. So, and I'm trying to think if I picked anything from their preview. They send you a preview of 10 items, and you can choose up to 5 from those 10, and if you don't choose 5, then your stylist will pick the rest for you. All right. Oh, this looks super cute. So I've been looking for a coat, and that looks so cute. It's a coat for sure. And then we got some stripes. Looks like some corduroys. Looks good. Let's see what they got in here. Stitch Fix Style Forecast, our top 6 need to know trends. Okay, we'll look at that later. Put that up there. And they send you a price list. I always say that till after I've tried on the clothes, and then there is a note from your stylist, which I will read after I've looked at the clothes. Let's look at this coat first. Okay, this is by Steve Madden. It is the Steve Madden Apparel Gemini coat. And it's pink, and it is plaid. It is long. And I have been looking for something a lot shorter than that, but we will try it on because it's very, very cute. I've been looking for something like pea coat length. Okay, next up we have got a long-sleeved top by KAILEIGH. It is the Posie cowl net knit top, and it's got that kind of drapey neck, which I actually am not a huge fan of, but that is a really pretty color. Long sleeves, just a kind of wrinkled, staticky. It's just a straight hem. Okay, that's cute. Next up by Pink Clover, the Maylah balloon sleeve sweater in white. This looks like black and white. It could be navy and white, but it looks like black and white. I really like that. It's got like a crew neck, long sleeves. Those are, I would not call those balloon sleeves. It's a nice feel. Somebody asked for what stuff was made of. Oh, it's also got little slits, and then that's ribbed, and the cuff is ribbed. And yes, somebody said that they would like me to read the fabrics. And this is 100% polyester. It feels really nice though. It says dry clean only, which I can never figure out why you'd have to dry clean polyester. and I almost dry clean nothing. Even my cashmere, I wash in the washing machine and then hang to dry. All right, and this blue top is 97% polyester, 3% spandex. Next up, we have, this is by BRITTON, and it is the Maya Scallop Neckline long sleeve knit top. I actually have this in black. So I do like this style. The clothes are cold. It is so cold, you guys. Today, right now, is 4 degrees, and that is as warm as it has gotten. Okay, and last up we have a pair of green Cosmic Blue Love corduroys that are, looks like a little bit of flare bootcut. What are they calling it? Stitch Fix exclusive. Brennan bootcut corduroy jean in teal green. And it's so interesting, the variation that teal is. If something is called teal, it can be anywhere from very blue to, I consider this very green. I would have actually called that green, but it is a green that I like. These are some awesome picks, as is always the case with Marsha. So let's see what she says in her note. Happy New Year, Andrea. I am back with some items that I hope will bring you joy and maybe some good surprises. As before, inventory is tight, so I chose pieces that I thought would best fit your style and needs. Since you asked for corduroy pants, I found a pair in teal green from Cosmic Blue Love. I paired them with the Maylah sweater from Pink Clover, add some tan booties for a great winter look. That was the only sweater available, so I added 2 tops in colors that I know you will enjoy. You do have the red Maya top in black, but this color is so fun. I also found a really fun plaid coat from MADDEN apparel for you to consider. I know that I have not done well finding the best coat, so I am hoping that the fit and style as well as the fun print will work for you this time. As always, I look forward to your video, Marsha. She actually has done a good job of sending me coats. It's not that she hasn't had good picks. There was one coat that they sent me in 3 different colors, and I really liked the styling of it. But the first one was black, and I decided I wanted a fun color. The next one was, I think, pink. And because it wasn't thick enough and it looked lumpy because of the way it was made. And then I noticed that in the next color that they sent me, which I think was maroon. So she sent me good things to consider, but just hasn't, for a variety of reasons, been the right thing. All right, I'm not going to show you my outfit of the day because I am just going for warm today, warm and cozy. So I have this heavy Sherpa and I've got some Vuori joggers, and it's just not, it's not video worthy. So we will go ahead and start trying things on. But before we start to try things on, I just wanted to take a second to say thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you to whoever it was who used my link, because now I have a $25 credit, and I really so appreciate that. And if you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I will leave my link below. That will give you $25 off, so you won't get charged the styling fee, and then you can apply that $25 to any purchase that you make, and I'll also get a credit, and I really, really do appreciate that. So, all right, let's get on with it. So this is the striped sweater and the corduroy jeans. And this is why Marsha can never, ever leave Stitch Fix, because she just picks awesome things. And I don't think there was anything from my preview that I liked or picked. Pretty sure these are all her picks. Yeah, actually, thinking about what she said in the note, yes. So let's first talk about the sweater. It is a higher crew neck. It's really soft. It just feels really nice. It is a loose, relaxed fit. It has the drop shoulders, and the stripes line up pretty good. My daughter felt like this kind of rippled effect indicated that it wasn't good quality, so I'll be interested to see what the price is. But I like it. I think it would look cute actually with some skinny jeans, because it is kind of a more loose fit, so I think that would be a good look. It looks good with these corduroys. Let's talk about those. So they come up to about 2 fingers below my belly button, so a mid-rise, and they are a boot cut. They fit really well. This is the front, that's the back, and I like them. And I don't have this color. I don't have any, pretty sure, no, I don't have any boot cut corduroys. So depending on the cost, these are both strong contenders. All right, let's try on the rest. So I paired that blue cowl net top with some skinny jeans, primarily because these are very high-waisted and this top is very clingy. So anything that's not high-waisted is gonna just create lots of bumps that I don't want seen. And I would probably kind of ruche it up like this to hide any kind of lumps and bumps. I mean, you can see in the back, it is very clingy fabric. Now, I don't tend to like cowl necks. I do like the way this one lays though. I don't feel like, the thing with most cowl necks is I kind of fuss with them a lot to get them to lay right. And this one just kind of laid pretty nice right off the bat. So I really like this color. It is quite thin, so wouldn't be good for a day like today where we're in the single digits, but I'm not going out on a day like today. So what do you think of this top? I like the color. I'm just trying to decide if it's too clingy, but let's go ahead and try on that coat. So this is a longer coat. It hits about right at the top of my calf, mid-calf area. I thought it had a tie, but it doesn't. It does have pockets. It's really cute. I really like the pink and the plaid. It does come down low, as you can see, so it would be something I would need to wear a scarf with for sure if it was a cooler day. I like it. I don't think it is what I'm looking for though. I'm really looking for something much, much shorter. This is also pretty thin, so I don't know how warm it would be, but it is a very nice coat. All right, let's try on that last top. So last up we have this scalloped edged top in this kind of like a raspberry color. And I like this top. I have it in black. It does go kind of low, but I think that's a really interesting neckline. It is clingy, and I like the color a lot. I just don't know if I want 2 tops. I kind of wish I'd gotten this one first because I do like this better than the black. I just don't know that I want 2 tops with this detail. So I'll have to see how much it is, and that will probably guide my decision. So what do you think of this? Now it's time for prices and a recap. That was a pretty great box, don't you think? Okay, it's not a 5 for 5, but it was some awesome, awesome picks. So it says it is stitch number, or fix number 82, and my stylist pick subtotal is $365. If you buy all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount, which is quite nice. That would take off $91.25, bringing it down to $273.75, and then I do have that $25 credit. Again, thank you to whoever, I know who, I have the first name, but I don't want to say it because I don't know if somebody wants their name out there like that. So that would bring it, if I bought all 5 things, it would bring it down to $248.75, which is pretty fantastic for a pair of boots, a sweater, 2 tops, and a full-length coat. So, Cosmic Blue Love Brennan Bootcut Corduroys in teal green. These are a petite size, and these are $98, which is more than I expected them to be. But I do like the color. I don't have anything like this in my closet, so I am strongly, strongly going to consider these. Next up, we have the coat, the Steve Madden Apparel Gemini coat in blush for $139, which is a really fair price. It is very thin though. I mean, it's a pretty thin thin coat, considering it is definitely a winter coat. It's just longer, much, much longer than what I'm looking for. And the reality is I don't think that I would wear it, despite the fact that I love the plaid and the colors. And I'm just not looking for a long coat. And I wouldn't have the opportunity to wear it very often, because when I'm out doing errands and stuff like that, I just wear shorter coats. That's the way my life is these days. Next up, we have the KAILEIGH Posie Cowl Knit top in navy, and this is a petite. All of the tops were petite, and you can see what a difference it makes. So this is $40. That's a good price. I'm strongly going to consider that. I also have to look at my budget. The pink clover Maya balloon sleeve sweater in white. I'm trying to decide. It almost looks like it could be like a dark green. It just says white. Anyway, it's $48. I like this. I think it's cute. It's so soft. I like stripes. So really good chance that I'm going to keep this. Okay, and then last we have the 9 Britton Maya Scallop neckline long sleeve. They're saying red. This is $40. And while I like this, I do have it in black, and I don't know that I want it in 2 different colors. And I have this, which is by Fortune and Ivy. So it's pretty identical in color, and it's got the scallop neckline. And I already own this, and I don't wear it that much. It does have different, sleeves. It's a blouse as opposed to, a kind of a knitted top. It's the mixed media, but it's just, I don't need 2 scallop neck tops in this color. So that one is going to go back. And so the strongest contenders are the corduroys and that sweater, and maybe that blue top, because I don't have anything like that either. So what'd you think of this fix? I thought it was awesome. Marcia did an awesome job, as she always does, even with the limited inventory that she's dealing with, and I really appreciate the time and attention that she takes. And yeah, if you like this video, hope you'll give me that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, why not? It's free. I think that's what Carolyn in her clothes always says. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. And until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.